Today, we're answering one of the most common questions that I get asked, which is, hey, I just bought a BMW, what mods do you think I should do first? Now, if you just bought a car, I understand that you probably don't have a whole lot of money left over to buy, let's say, brand new wheels and tires, or just completely overhaul your suspension from the ground up. I know that a lot of people are just looking for a few affordable mods just to get started. Now, if you bought your BMW used like I did, the first thing that you want to do before you get into any kind of modifications is just make sure that all the maintenance is up to date. Things like oil changes, make sure that all the fluids are okay, check wear and tear items like brakes and tires, and make sure that all that stuff is good first before you get into the fun stuff, the modifications and stuff like that. When I bought my BMW, one of the very first things that I changed was I got rid of the chrome kidney grills and I replaced it with a gloss black one. Most BMWs come with the chrome from the factory, but personally that look just isn't for me, you know, like the luxury executive look. I'm just not really into that myself. I think that the black looks a lot more sporty and they're really affordable. I got mine on Amazon for around $40 and they're super easy to install. Anybody can do this one. Now, speaking of chrome deletes, another thing that you can get rid of is the chrome window trim. A lot of BMWs will come with chrome on the trim, and again, that look just isn't for me personally. I just don't like anything chrome on the car has to go. So I did mine with the gloss black 3M vinyl. It came out really nice. The supplies to do that job are maybe around $60, and if you've never worked with vinyl before, it is a little bit tricky at first, but it's not impossible. A lot of BMWs that come with Angel Eyes or Corona rings from the factory, they just come with the halogen bulbs, which are kind of like a yellowish, dim yellow color. So it's really popular for people to upgrade those to the bright white LEDs. Now there's tons of different options out there as far as upgrading them, but without question, LUX is regarded as one of the best brands within the BMW community. The LUX lights are bright and long lasting. They range in price from around $125 to $200. It just depends on your exact BMW model and which style bulb it uses. But after burning through a couple sets of the eBay lights, you know, the cheap ones, I can tell you that these LUX bulbs are worth every penny. This style of low-profile lip spoilers is really popular within the Euro car community. For around $250, you can get a real carbon fiber spoiler that's vehicle-specific for a perfect factory fit on your BMW. This style of lip spoiler is just held on by double-sided tape, so you don't have to worry about drilling holes in your trunk or anything crazy like that. Suspension can get really expensive, but you might want to look into lowering springs as an affordable place to start. For around $250, a set of lowering springs will lower your car about 1.5 inches all the way around. So I have the H&R Sport lowering springs on my car and I like them a lot. Now eventually you will want to upgrade to a matching set of shocks and struts that are designed to work with the lowering springs. Something like the Buice B8, that's what I have on my car right now. So all the parts that I just talked about will be linked down in the description, as well as a list of the corresponding installation videos in case you guys want to check those out, learn how to do some of these things on your car. And then also leave a comment if you've got any other suggestions for affordable mods. Let's say under $300 for the affordable range. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys would recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.